Hi guys, how are you? During this challenging time, a lot of people can't find yeast to make bread. So I have a very good recipe, a very simple and very quickly and very easy recipe of a natural sourdough starter. You can make it at home and you need very little ingredients. It's very simple, everybody can do it, everybody. To make a simple sourdough starter, you will need flour, a cup of warm water and honey. I took 5 tablespoons of white flour and 5 tablespoons of rye flour. But you can skip it and take just 10 spoons of white flour. Also, you will need warm water. The temperature of water must be near 40 degrees centigrade. And honey. You will need honey or you will need sugar, as you wish. I like honey, so I took honey. It just gives some special smell. We pour water into a bowl, into a deep bowl, where you will make your sourdough starter. Then we add some sugar or honey. I like honey, it gives your sourdough starter a very good flavor. To tell you the truth, I like hops sourdough starter most of all. So I have a recipe on my Etnocook food blog and you can check it. Then we add some white flour and just mix it properly. The best part of it is that you don't need it to be very smooth. You just need to mix it, and then the bacteria that it will make all the work, and it will have a very nice texture. So then I add my rye flour, and you can skip it. You can just add all white flour and mix it. Sometimes I do my sourdough starter with a whole grain flour because I want to add some fiber to it. And I will show you my personal 2 years sourdough starter. It lives in my refrigerator and I'm proud of it. It's the best. It works so good. All dough is very good. It raises the dough very fast and the texture of dough is so fluffy. So this my sourdough starter is the whole grain sourdough starter, and you can see it. I will show you it. So we just mix it. Here you can see big pieces of flour. It's okay, and everything on the second day, everything will be in one texture and everything will be very good, very nice. So this is the first day. On the next day you add 1 tablespoon of little tablespoon, like this, 1 little tablespoon of sugar and 2-3 spoons of flour, white flour or rye flour, as you wish, and mix it and cover it and put it in a warm place. So you have to do 4 days. 4 days. In 4 days you will have a ready sourdough starter. So here I cover this and I will show you the sourdough starter that I made 4 days ago for you guys. Here it is. So here we have sourdough starter at the beginning, the first day, and we put it and covered. And here is the ready sourdough starter that I made you 4 days ago. In 4 days it will look like this. Cover it. Here. This sourdough starter is very active and it has bubbles, big bubbles on its surface. So it's breathing and it will raise your dough. It will raise your dough very quickly. However, you keep in mind that this sourdough starter is very young, and the best sourdough starter has a year or two. So this sourdough starter that you don't use, you keep it in the refrigerator. And I have my 2 years sourdough starter. Here it is. I will show you. Here. You see this. It's not runny. As you see, it's not runny. It's more tough. And when I want to activate it, I just make all of these activities, and I will have more powerful starter for dough. And the dough with this, starter raises very good, and it's very fluffy and very high and very nice. So you see, all this is super simple, and everybody can do it and have at home a homemade starter for dough and cook a very nice, very good, very healthy own bread. So my dear friends, stay healthy, stay safe, eat a homemade bread, and follow LilkaSky and Etnocook to find the recipe of this sourdough starter, and there you will find also all pieces of advice, all tips and step-by-step instructions. Bye bye! My dear friends, don't be afraid. Not everything can be very good from the first time. You have to try again and again. I also didn't make everything excellent from the first time, even this video. Some special smell, Follow LilkaSky and Etnocook for all the recipes. So, my dear friends,